Hello, good morning सबकी once again Nagaland Times News Channel ti welcome kura ase itia ajila notun khobor khan update kuri dibo. Aji morning la first update ase Directorate of School Education to notification release kura ase quiz competition India Independence Movement aro National Unity under te 29 of October te held kurubalen mite. Official notification te government aro private school tuita pi student of class 10 to 12 khan tinjon nominate kurina activity report to School Monitoring Portal te October 23 ageti registered kuru lobole. Preliminary online screening test to 25th October te held kuru lobo itun miti 24th of October te details khan tu jonai dibola ase. First, second, third position state level te pa khan tu certificate of appreciation aro cash award to 10,000 7,000 5,000 dibola ase aro participant khan sob pi certificate tu pabola ase koina department jona ase. Next ase inter-ward tournament tu shuru hoi jase Futsal Sports Complex te. Minister for Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs Nibakuno bra guest speaker kurina opening ceremony kuri dishe. Occasion te Nibakuno pi koi dishe itu pandemic bra economic effect hoi jase aro state government tu itu recover kuru lobole koshish kura ase koina. Aro Chief Minister President of Nagaland Olympic Association to sports field te serious loina sports person development kurubole thakya koi dishe. Ni bakruno pi players khan ke encourage kuri koi dishe ita world sports khela manu khan tu so pra dangur respect thakya ase itu karni sports profession te team spirit aro serious bra khelibole koi dishe. ADC Futsal pi occasion te players sob ke encourage kuri koi dishe sports tu career thakibole nimite. Next ase police commemoration day tu aji mangi lobola ase Director General of Police khobor official aro rank thakya khan sob commemoration parade day aji new police reserve tennis court Pisama Kohima Nagaland bra mangi lobola ase koina. Aji function te Deputy Chief Minister Y Patan bra address kuri ex Greta COVID-19 martyrs khan ki handover kuri dibola ase. Program te short speech to DGP Nagaland bra kobo aro COVID-19 bra mura khan ki honor kurubole jonai thakise. Next ase All Assam Minorities Student Union AAMSU khan tu ja kali dangur protest rakhilose itubar Durga Puja Bangladesh te Hindu temple khan panga pangi kuri da nimite. Kobor hesab tu student body khan tu Bangladesh embassy osorti protest rakhi thakise Guwahati te. Protest student body khan pi tai khan la munduk minority religious khan ki thakya khan Prime Minister of Bangladesh ki letter address kuri dishe. Address te student body khan tu minority communities aro property khan panga pangi kuri da condemn kura ase aro government ki life property aro religious place of worship khan tu protect kuri dibi koina address kura ase. Next as a notice in the Petroleum Dealer Association to Petrol Pump Guwahati te 48 hours ban kurubo koina jonai dishe. Itu 48 hours ban to 6 AM Friday October 22 bra luina October 24 6 AM tak thakibole ase. NEIPA DA khan ko ase itu decision to press te 10 point charter demand kura ase petroleum dealership business te alag alag issue thakya nimite. Association khan pi stated kura ase tai khan tu contractor khan pra tanker load kurubole refuse kuriya nimiti digdar pa ase aro tai khan la demand to manufacturing company khan ki address kuri dina ase aro response to rukha ase. Next ase Meghalaya state te security forces khan tu phutibole saman khan bishi noxpang bosti bra pai loise. Security forces report te tai khan tu 29 electronic denators with fuse wire aro phutibole saman khan 119 chupagina thakya recover kuri loise. Khobor te itu saman khan tu plastic bag pra pandina culvert te chupagina pai jase itu connection nimiti case tu registered kuri dishe aro ita investigation process tu rakhilo ase. Report te itu phutibole saman khan tu suspected outfit Garo Hill bra stock kuri thakya khan koi thakise. Next ase China khan tu advanced long range rocket launcher high altitude India border te deploy kuri dishe border issue te tok fel hwa nimite. Report te action nishna tu deployment kurubole preparation tu ja thakya ase winter te. PLA khan tu khala chawal aro pani khan tu stock kurlo ase winter te rasta khan block hobole nimite. China khan pi PCL 181 long range light track mounted khan tu deploy kuri dishe India khan bra M777 ultra light hozar border area ti deployment kuri dia nimite. Arms and ammunition system te ahile India khan tu chena piche te ase hulipi India troops khan tu winter te bishi experience thakya koi thakse Chinese counterpart te. Next ase Taliban khan tu Afghanistan junior women national volleyball team khan la piche kurina mar thakya report pa ase. Khobor pa sab tu Taliban khan bra Afghanistan control kurla piche ti itubar October ti women player ekjon Mahabin Hakemi kuina mar dishe coach ekjon confirm kura sab te. Official report hisab tu itubar Taliban khan bra Afghanistan control kurla piche Taliban khan tu women athletics khan ki pisare ase aro players sobra ita situation biya ase kuina coaches khan report kuri thakise. Next ase 3 days film festival of Bangladesh government to Tripura Agratala ti aji lobole thaka tu postpone kuri dise neighboring country communal tension thaka nimite. Senior official report ti itu decision to unavoidable circumstances nimiti postpone kura ase kuina jonai dise. Bangladesh communal issue nimiti intellectual political party aro NGOs khan Assam aro Tripura state bra condemn kura ase. Prime Minister Sikha Hasina pi promise kura ase investigation rakhina itu communal tension ulai thakya aro fake Quran photo Durka adults te rakha khan action to lobo koina aro aji morning la notun khobor khan yate bra khotom kura ase.